dietitian Neha Tasneem, and today we are going to discuss regarding diabetic diet. A common question which diabetic patient ask is like they get frequent sugar cravings and how to avoid sugar cravings. So when you're having the sugar cravings, it indicates that your diet is not adequate in nutrients. That means you're not taking enough proteins. That's the reason you're ending up with sugar cravings. So to avoid that, make sure that you're taking enough protein in the diet. We as Indian, we don't give much importance to proteins. We give more importance to carbs and all because that is our tradition. Proteins are very important for insulin production. That it will also proteins are very important for maintaining your blood sugar levels. So most of our hormones and everything are made up of proteins. So make sure that you're taking enough protein in your diet. So if you're a non-vegetarian, you can take boiled eggs, you can take lean meat, chicken to meet your daily protein requirement. If you are a vegetarian, you can switch it to soya bean, rajma, millets, milk and other dairy products. And one of the most important thing a diabetic patient has to realize is diet timings are very important. Our body works like a biological clock. So make sure that you're following particular diet timing so that your body will follow discipline and so that it will help in controlling your metabolism. So for that, switch to particular diet timings. Make sure that you're taking small and frequent meals instead of heavy meals. If you're taking heavy meals, what happens when you're taking heavy meals, like only 3 major meals per day, your sugar level will not be controlled. So make sure you're taking small and frequent meals like such as 3 major meals and 3 minor meals in between that. And whenever you're taking heavy meals, such as you're taking your lunch at 1 o'clock and you're going home by 7 o'clock, you will feed on whatever you're getting. So don't do like that. Make sure you're following a particular restrictive diet pattern. That is very important. Along with that, people don't realize about importance of physical activity. Diet will work only when you're physically active. So make sure you're doing at least 10 to 20 minutes of yoga per day. You're doing 40 to 45 minutes of normal brisk walking per day. Nowadays most of us are switched to desktop job. We are following a sedentary lifestyle itself is the biggest risk factor for development of all these non-communicable diseases. So to avoid all these non-communicable diseases, a healthy lifestyle, that means following a good diet along with being physically active is very important. Just by making small changes, not only you'll be able to control your diabetes, but also you'll be able to control your weight. So this will help in long term to maintain your sugar levels, to prevent all the complications which happens due to diabetes. Long term prolonged uncontrolled sugar levels might end up with nerve damage, vision loss, kidney failure and heart attack. So to prevent all these complications in long term and to prevent premature deaths which are caused due to diabetes, a healthy change is very important. So I just hope that everyone follows this healthy change and takes a step towards healthy eating. Wishing all good luck and stay safe. Thank you.